Some robots are designed to build cars, others are meant to help astronauts in space, but not this little guy. This is the Lovot, and its only mission in life is to make you happy. This has been built by a Tokyo startup called GrooveX, and yeah, it's just a mischievous little goofball, basically. It's got 50 sensors built inside. A bunch of them are pressure sensors, so that it knows when you're touching it, when you're holding it, when you're sort of cuddling it. You know, so if I was to hug it, for instance, it would start to laugh as if I'm tickling it. If I cradle it like a baby, it will fall asleep. But this has got like a ton of technology built inside. So you see this little horn up the top here? That's got a half-sphere 360 camera, so it can see you, take photos of you, also know what you're doing. There's a thermal camera and a microphone, 2 microphones in fact, so it really knows how you're playing and interacting with it. On the bottom, so it moves around using these 2 wheels and a ball on the back. It's got a detection system there, so it can happily move around and sort of know, you know, to avoid tables and chairs, that sort of thing. But really the idea is that it's supposed to kind of roll around your house and just create a little bit of chaos. Nothing that's going to break anything, of course, but, you know, make you smile, make you laugh, that sort of thing. It's like a super expensive Furby. It's very similar to what Sony has done with the Aibo robot dog. Now, they're selling these in pairs actually, at least to begin with. So the idea is that you'll have 2 of these that will kind of crash and bounce into each other and kind of make you fall in love with them. They're selling for just under 600,000 yen, which is about $5,500. They're currently only available to pre-order in Japan. They're planning to ship the first ones in the kind of winter of 2019. They'll be available in the US in 2020, and they'll also be available in kind of single units as well in 2020, although we don't have the exact pricing for them on that kind of individual basis. So yeah, this is very expensive, but really, as I say, it's in that same ballpark as the Sony Aibo robot dog. It's got a whole bunch of computers built inside too, the idea being that it will slowly learn over time. It's got some deep learning algorithms built in. So what they're promising anyway is that as you learn to love this thing, it's going to take on more and more behavior and act in increasingly different ways. That's going to make it feel more like a living creature, you know, like a pet really. I've totally fallen in love with it. I think it's absolutely beautiful. They're promising costumes in the future, so you can dress it up in all sorts of different ways. And yeah, I just think it's, you know, just a really cute plaything to have in your home. For more on the Lovot and everything else happening here at CES, keep it locked to Engadget.com and YouTube.com/Engadget.